What really sparks attraction? It's more than looks or personality, there's a hidden language at play. Across a crowded room, you feel a connection. But why? Scientists say we communicate attraction through silent, ancient signals, body language, eye contact, and chemical cues. These chemical signals, called pheromones, are released from our bodies and detected subconsciously. You're not aware you're sending or receiving them, but they can instantly change how you feel about someone. Before spoken language, our ancestors relied on these cues to signal interest and compatibility. Imagine walking into a social gathering. Your body is already sending out subtle cues of confidence and availability. For men, these signals can make you seem more approachable and desirable without saying a word. Researchers are discovering how specific pheromones influence mood, behavior, and attraction. What if you could enhance these natural signals? Science has made it possible. Today, products like Nexus Pheromones offer men a way to boost their natural appeal and connect on a deeper, primal level. This isn't science fiction, it's the next step in understanding attraction. The secret language of pheromones is now within your reach. It's time to unlock the power of what your body is already saying. Attraction is no longer a mystery, it's a science you can use. Are you ready to speak the language of chemistry? Let's decode the signals that change everything. Pheromones are nature's original communication tool, used by animals for survival and mating. Moths find mates, ants build trails, all through chemical signals. Scientists now believe humans use pheromones too. These natural chemicals are released through sweat, creating your unique scent signature. When detected, they trigger reactions in the brain, often without us realizing. The vomeronasal organ picks up these cues, sending signals to the brain's emotional center. That's why pheromones can spark instant chemistry. Attraction is a two-way street, and pheromones are the traffic signals. The secret to connection might be right under your nose. Scientists have discovered key pheromones that shape human attraction. Androstenone in male sweat signals masculinity and dominance, especially attractive to women during ovulation. Androstenol makes social interactions feel easier and more natural. Androsterone signals reliability and protection, making men seem trustworthy. Copulins, secreted by women, can increase men's testosterone and make women appear more attractive. The interplay of these chemicals is the foundation of primal attraction. Companies use this science to create products that enhance a man's natural appeal. This is the science behind products like Nexus Pheromones. Are you ready to tap into your body's natural power? Welcome to the new era of attraction. In today's dating world, every edge counts. You work on your fitness, career, and personality. But what about your biological signals? Nexus Pheromones is designed to amplify your natural pheromones, giving you a silent advantage. It's a topical cologne with a scientifically balanced blend of 7 human pheromones. Apply it like any fragrance, but it does more than just smell good. The formula boosts your signals of confidence, masculinity, and approachability. Women may feel drawn to you, start conversations, and hold eye contact longer. These are signs of attraction triggered on a subconscious level. Nexus Pheromones can also boost your own confidence, making you more self-assured. Confidence is magnetic. Women notice it instantly. The product works two ways. It influences her perception and boosts your mindset. This creates a positive feedback loop that transforms your dating experience. Approach anxiety fades when you know you have an invisible advantage. You become more proactive and engaging. Nexus Pheromones isn't magic. It's science working for you. Stand out from the crowd without saying a word. Let your biology do the talking. The modern man uses every tool available. Are you ready to level up your attraction? The next step is understanding what sets Nexus apart. Not all pheromone products are created equal. Many use just 1 or 2 compounds, often low quality or synthetic. Nexus Pheromones stands out with a complex, high-quality blend, 7 key human pheromones, including the love pheromone, androstenedione. This formula is the result of over a decade of research, designed for a broad, natural effect. It's not just about raw attraction, it's about comfort, trust, and emotional connection. Nexus uses pure, human-grade pheromones, chemically identical to those your body makes. The alcohol base ensures slow, even release for up to 10 hours. One application lasts all evening, so you can focus on making connections. You're not just buying a fragrance, you're investing in a scientifically backed tool for social success. For the modern man, it's a game changer. Now, let's see how it works in real life. The science is impressive, but real-world results matter most. Thousands of men report success with Nexus Pheromones. Mark, a shy software developer, was approached by two women the first night he wore it. He felt a magnetic pull he'd never experienced before. David, a divorced father, found his dates more relaxed and engaged after using Nexus. Women smiled more, touched his arm, and conversations flowed. These stories aren't rare. The Nexus website is filled with similar testimonials. Men report more eye contact, smiles, and easier conversations. Sometimes the effects are subtle, but they're consistent. Nexus lowers social barriers, making it easier for connections to form. It's a tool that gives you the opening to let your personality shine. Remember, it's not a magic solution. You still need to be engaging and respectful. The most successful users use Nexus to boost their confidence and take initiative. The product opens doors. It's up to you to walk through them. Real transformation comes from combining science with self-improvement. Nexus Pheromones is the push many men need to become their best selves. Are you ready to see what it can do for you? Let's weigh the pros and cons. Make an informed choice for your dating life. Let's look at both sides of Nexus Pheromones. The pros: a scientifically backed blend of 7 pheromones, consistent user reports of increased attention, and a major confidence boost. It's easy to use, discreet, and has a pleasant, long-lasting scent. The 67-day money-back guarantee lets you try it risk-free. Now, the cons: it's a premium product, so the price is higher than regular cologne. Results can vary. Human chemistry is complex, and context matters. What works for one man may be subtler for another. It's not a magic bullet. Pheromones won't compensate for poor hygiene or a bad attitude. Think of it as an enhancer, not a transformation. Managing expectations is key to satisfaction. Nexus makes you more noticeable and appealing, but you still have to build real connections. If you're realistic, the benefits can be significant. The choice is yours. Use it as a tool, not a crutch. The next step: using Nexus for maximum impact. Let's make sure you get the best results. Success is about science and strategy. Ready to unlock your full potential? Here's how to use Nexus Pheromones effectively. Take your first step toward a new level of attraction. Getting the most from Nexus Pheromones is simple, but a few tips make a big difference. Apply to clean, dry skin. Right after a shower is best. Focus on pulse points, wrists, throat, behind ears, inner elbows. A small amount is enough. Less is more. Don't rub your wrists together. Let the formula dry naturally. The alcohol evaporates, leaving pheromones to work for up to 10 hours. You can layer your favorite cologne over it. Just let Nexus dry first. The real secret? Act with confidence. The pheromones are working in the background, but your actions matter most. Make eye contact, smile, and start conversations. Use the attention you get as fuel for your self-belief. Nexus creates opportunities. You turn them into success. Combine science with self-assurance for the best results. This is your edge in the dating world. Ready to make your move? The next chapter in your dating life starts now. Let's see what's possible when you harness the power of attraction. The science is on your side. Attraction is more than words. It's a hidden dance of signals. Pheromones are nature's way of communicating confidence, health, and compatibility. Science has unlocked this secret language, and now you can use it to your advantage. Nexus Pheromones is the result of years of research, a sophisticated tool to enhance your natural appeal. The blend of 7 pheromones sends a powerful message: confidence, masculinity, and approachability. It helps break the ice, spark conversations, and create real chemistry. In today's competitive dating world, every advantage counts. Think of Nexus as another form of self-improvement, presenting your best self to the world. Countless men have seen real results, and you can too. This is your invitation to a new chapter. More confidence, more connections, more success. If you're tired of missed opportunities, it's time to try something new. With a 67-day money-back guarantee, there's no risk. The only thing you have to lose is being overlooked. Take a chance. Try Nexus Pheromones. You might be amazed at the doors it opens. The science is real. The results are real. Your new story starts now.